What did you guys find interesting about this experiment?
I think for me, like, I'm not too sure if you guys noticed, but at the beginning when they mixed the food coloring into the water, like the blue food coloring, when it went into the hot water, it filled up the glass like straight away. Like it changed the water almost immediately, whereas the cold water took longer. And I think like we saw that with the experiment, with the hot water changed more rapidly than the cold water.
Yeah.
What occurred when the index card was removed? I'm pretty sure you kind of just answered that as well, though.
Yeah.
But
yeah. Yeah, I guess like the colors started to mix, and the hot water and the cold water started to combine.
Yeah. This is pretty straightforward, but what color can you mainly see at the end of the experiment?
Green.
Some shade of green.
Yeah. And what do you think the science behind everything was? Like, why all this happened?
Does it have something to do with like the what do you call them? Like the particles, like the atoms and all of that, like in the heat they move faster.
Like
so it
Mixed pasta.
yeah, like it explains why it's mixing faster, whereas with the cold it isn't moving as fast. I don't know.
Yeah. I think as well, like, yeah, like I agree with the atoms and the particles when they're moving, like from the heat. And I think once I could say this the other. Oh, hold on. I think, isn't it when when cold water like touches heat, then it will kind of like cool down and warm up with the hot water?
Yeah, they kind of come to like I don't know how to explain it, but like a temperature. They mix together to form just the one temperature.
Yeah.
Kind of in the middle. So I'll explain like the science behind it, and then we'll do the final hypothesis. So what actually is going on is the hot water rises and the cold water falls. So hot water is more dense than cold water.